Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to show you how to stop people from tagging you on TikTok videos. To do this, open up your TikTok app on your phone. Now tap on your profile tab at the bottom right. Then tap on the three lines at the top right. Then tap on privacy. Now scroll down and within the safety section, find mentions and tags. Tap on it. Now where you see who can tag you, you have a choice of 4 options. Everyone, people who follow, friends, and no one. By default, everyone is selected. Select no one, that means no one can tag you in the TikTok videos. Then go back to save your settings. And that is how to stop people from tagging you on TikTok videos. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, and if you found this helpful, then please subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.